Once you've got your website and you've done the first phase of the SEO process, which is the keyword research, it's time to place your keywords on your website. And so basically it's time to do the second stage of the SEO.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy
Strategy, which is on-page SEO. And this video is an introduction to this whole section about on-page SEO. So in the next videos, we're going to go get in more detail about what I'll show you here. But in this video, this is just going to be an introduction to on-page SEO. And I'm going to use one of my pages. It's about flyer marketing. And the first part of on-page SEO actually starts even before people get onto your page. Because look, when I search for flyer marketing, the first three items are ads. This is what's called the answer box. But when we get to the first organic result, this is actually my blog. It's a page that I wrote a very long time ago, but it's ranking #1. And before we get into this page, I want to show you something you can make a goal for yourself. You look at the second result. This is actually my Udemy course on flyer marketing. The third result is a very, very big website, Grammarly. The fourth result is my very, very old and embarrassing video, a video from 2013. So I'm a little embarrassed about it, but I'm happy that, look, it's actually ranking. So you see right now I have 1, 2, 3 results in the Google top 10. And also this is actually my book on Amazon on flyer marketing that I also wrote a long time ago. It's not the best book in the world. I do not recommend that you would get it or anything like that. But you see, look, the top 5 search results, depending on how you count, I'm absolutely dominating it. And if somebody's searching for flyer marketing, they're going to come across my content. So that's the first thing to try to do, is to dominate your search. Now let's get back to this blog post, because that's really what we're concerned about in this. Now, this title, it comes from your title meta tag, and this little description comes from your description meta tag. It's something that you control. I'll be showing you how to do that in the coming videos, but it's basically something you absolutely control. And the more attractive that you make this, the higher the click-through that you're going to get from random people searching to clicking on your site. And when that happens, Google will think, oh, it must be a better match for this search than competitive websites. If your title and descriptions is more attractive, you'll get more clicks, and Google will think, okay, wow, this is a better match. We'll rank it higher because it's a better match. So this is actually a strong ranking signal. What control do you have over this? Look what's showing. Your title meta tag, your description meta tag, and the URL of your site. It's showing the page name. These 3 elements are actually the very first thing about your on-page SEO. And it's something people see even before they land on your page. Now let me click on this and let's examine what I did here. This is this page. It's not the best page in the world. It's not the most attractive, but it has good SEO. It's particularly long, so it's comprehensive. And what you'll notice it does is it targets a lot of long tail keywords with my subtitles. These are the H2 tags. We'll be going over this in upcoming videos, don't worry, but I do want to show you. So you see, like, this is an H2 tag, and I have subtopics, for example, types of businesses that get best results for flyer marketing, right? And then I use flyer advertising just to mix up the keywords so I can rank for flyer advertising. Then I talk about how to design the flyers. This is a long tail keyword, and because I have so much content and so much space here, and I'm using images like this, you see, and I'm using videos that are embedding, I have a lot of content and rich content, videos, pictures, a lot of text, and all this helps my site rank. There are more things I actually do here, and I will be walking you through all these in the coming videos, but I just wanted to show you what's really happening here and how to do it on-page SEO. So in your case, you don't always want to write a really, 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 really long page, but do make it good and make it comprehensive for your readers, because Google will monitor how your users are using this page. And if they see that people are liking it, they're not clicking the back button, they're actually staying, that's a ranking signal. So there's actually a lot of ranking signals in your on-page SEO, 100% of which you can control. So to sum this up, I have one page that's very comprehensive, and it covers a lot of keywords. You see, even in the title, I'm doing like marketing your business with flyers. So it's not just flyer marketing, it's marketing your business with flyers, marketing ideas, marketing tips, marketing strategy, and it's all kinds of stuff like demographics, psychographics. So this is the long tail keywords. So I rank for all the permutations of these keywords. So I just wanted to introduce the concept of on-page SEO with this example of a page on which I did successful on-page SEO. And in the next videos, we'll start digging into each one of these topics so that you can actually implement this as you create your posts and your website and generally your content strategy, because you'll know approximately which keywords are going to get targeted with which pages. So your content strategy will also begin to start taking shape once you start understanding how to do your on-page SEO.